Hello guys, I'm gonna show you how to replace your engine air filter on this 2025 Ford Explorer ST. That's the 2.3 turbo engine. Alright, the air filter is located right there, right in front of the engine. Right, so you're gonna pop this clip and those, and take your filter out, put your new filter in. Make sure it's fully seated, and we're gonna hook this under there, okay? Looking good, and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.